All right, y'all. So this isn't political on this one. This isn't about anything. I'm a market trader, and I'm trying to get back into my other trading account so I can start uploading videos on there to keep people safe from losing their money. Who the fuck splashed shit all over my screen? I saw this earlier, but I'm just noticing it even more because it's all over my face. Um, I do a lot of cryptocurrency trading. I really don't fuck with stock markets. The trades are too small. I don't make enough money. People are right now doing the same shit they always do, and oh, we went from 3,500 to 7,300, so we're going to 65,000. We're going to 100,000. We're going to 10,000. No, we're not. People, please don't fall for this shit. Please be safe, be careful. And the people I'm referring to are actually really good traders, and they're looking at their indicator that they created, which I did buy, which does work. It is fantastic. It is amazing. It's one of the best indicators I've ever used. But I also use my own skill that I taught myself learning from other people for 2 years from multiple different traders, and I combine everything and use their indicator to make my trades. I'm one of the best traders probably in the world. I'm probably one of the best technical analysis people in the world. And I hate to put this on my political channel, but as soon as I can get my password back for my crypto channel, I will be posting videos on there about this. But I just want to warn people, this is not a bear or a bull run. We're not going from 3,500 up to 10K and then above 10K and back to 20K anytime soon. All right. I called out the bottom of Bitcoin in June of 2018. And this was within 6 months of me learning technical analysis. It's common sense. I could teach this shit to a fifth grader. I could teach fifth and sixth graders how to make millions of dollars trading cryptocurrency or anything, even stock markets, futures, bonds, anything you want. Forex, which is fiat money of different world currencies. All right, I called it out just because the TA said no. I called out a bull run to 13,650 in January to February of 2019, a year ago. People laughed at me and said, no, we're going back to 20K and we're hitting $100,000 by the end of 2019, 2020. And I said, no, we're going to hit 13,650 bucks. We hit 13,900 and fucking $70. All right. People are now calling a $9,000 to $10,000 Bitcoin rally. It's not going to happen. If it does, great, because either way I'm making money. Either way I'm going to trade it as it goes up at leverage, 10, 20x leverage, and depending on the breakout, if it breaks above 10,100, I'll do fucking 50x leverage. But we're not. I call out bear market rally. So to explain it, a bear market rally is a rally. So say we had the peak to 20K on Bitcoin and it drops down and it bottoms out. A bear market rally is where it rises either at least halfway or to the full way of the previous high or midway, and it can't get past a certain point of resistance, so it drops down. And it moves too fast. It's not a healthy structure. People laughed at me and bitched at me. Oh, we'll never break 6K. And we got to 3,150. I called out 3,500. Oh, we're going to 20K. We never got above 14,000. And people right now are saying the same bullshit. It's not true. It is not true. Do not listen to them. If you're buying long and you're planning on holding for days to weeks, thinking you're going to fucking $10,000, you're going to lose a lot of money. Do not do that. Don't even buy short for days to weeks right now. The market is unstable. Everything's unstable. Trade the hourly, the 2 hour, the 15, 20, 30 minute. Do not trade these daily or weekly fucking long, like, oh, I could buy it now at, what's that, 73 something and go to 9K and make X amount of profit with 10X, 20X leverage and make 150% gain. It's not going to happen. Look up a bear flag. Look up a bear flag and look up a bear market rally. We had a bear market rally. The top was, say, here, 20K. All right, we came down all 2018, bottomed, and then early 2019, and we rose up, and by June so here's the top, and we went a little over halfway. We couldn't make it, and then we went from 14,000 back down to 3,500 area. That is a confirmed bear market rally. And now, if you look up Elliott wave theory, which is 1, 2, 3 drop, 1, 2, 3 drop, and in same way as a bull run, like 1, 2, 3, and then rise, and then or 1, 2, 3 rise, and then a bear in a Elliott wave bear market, it's 1, 2, 3 drop, and we're looking at a top here. We went up halfway, we came back down, we bottomed out around 3,500, and then we went from like 30. I don't remember the exact number, but it was like 3,500, and now we're at like 7,500, up over 100 and something percent. Unnatural growth. This is within 2 weeks of time, maybe a little bit longer. It's very unnatural. It is a bear flag, and what this means is that we're going up, and it looks like we're gonna keep going, and people are freaking out. We're gonna do this, and we're gonna go so high. It means that a big dip is coming. That's what it means. Look up a bear flag, and it makes the shape of a flag in a bearish pattern, meaning we're going down. And a bull flag does the same thing, where you go up and you drop down, and it makes a flag where the support is. So it goes up, down, makes a flag, and then up. So picture this. So it goes up. Here's the post. It goes up, down, and then a bull flag goes back up. What we're doing is down, up, makes the flag this way. So down, up, and we're going back down. It makes a flag. We are in a bear flag, and I'm warning you people. I hate to put this on my political channel. Don't fall for the bullshit. Don't buy into the hype. Technical analysis is everything. I'm calling it out right now. We're going to see Bitcoin go back down to 5,800 area, to the 6K area within the next couple days to maybe a couple weeks. And if I'm wrong, then I'm wrong. And I'm not wrong a lot. Like I said, I'm 98% accurate. Shut up. You've been outside fucking 20 times. I just let you back in. Sorry, you broke your fence, and I have to build it in the morning. No, I can't let you back outside because he keeps trying to escape. Either way, this is a bear flag. And what this means is that we went down, and it looks like we're going up, but it's just going to pop back down. It's going to fucking poop and pop down, and it's going to probably break 5,800. If it breaks 5,800 area, 5,900, 5,800, we're going to see probably 3K again, 3,200. And if it breaks below 3,200, we're going to see a 2,800. If it breaks below 2,800, we're going to see a huge panic sell to 1,800 and probably to $1,000 Bitcoin. I don't think that's going to happen. There's also, if you look at the long term, the yearly chart, there is a strong log pattern. And the way the log pattern works, it works like this. All right. So it goes up and down in between these. Support is what it sits on, and resistance is what it has to break through. And the log pattern goes like this. And right now, we're riding in that log pattern, and it's calling for a 5,800 drop. So be careful if you trade the markets. Don't fall for the bullshit. I cannot tell you 100% for sure. This is not financial advice. I'm just telling you that I'm very good at what I do. And the way that I see the market right now on the daily and the weekly is this is nothing. This is just a little bear mark. This is a little bear flag. It gets people to get pumped up. And what happens is people like me with the money and fucking other people with big money, they get you all excited. And as they're pumping you up, we're buying, and then we short, and we just sell off, and we dump. And as we dump, the price moves down, and we're at 50x leverage, 20x leverage. So at 10x leverage, every 1% move is 10%. So if we drop the price 100%, that's 1,000% profit. And 20x leverage is 2,000%, and so on and so on. 30%, or 30x leverage is 3,000%, and 50x leverage is 5,000. That's what this is. And be very careful, especially if you're using leverage. set your stop losses. In my opinion, I'm calling it now that this is a bear flag, and we're going to probably see 5,800 Bitcoin again in the next couple days to a couple weeks. I could be wrong. I could always be wrong. And if I'm wrong, I'm still right because I'm going to buy the breakout to that 10K and above that 10K. And I will say like, okay, I was wrong, but I still make money because okay, I bought above this resistance line when it broke out. So there's a line like this and markets bounce off of it. And when it breaks, it goes up, like it skyrockets. It'll break, it'll hit this line, and then once it breaks, it goes and shoots off, and that's where I buy. I buy at these breakouts, and okay, it broke this key resistance, bam, and then as it's coming down, it's hitting this support, and right now we hit the support at 3,500, and we bounced off, and now it's hitting resistance, and it's gonna, and I think it's gonna go right back down. But either way, once it breaks any level of support, like it's hitting this right here and it breaks through, I buy right here and buy that breakout. You can't lose. So either way, I'm right. But I'm telling you, for long term perspective, I believe this is a bear flag. So be careful. That's all. I just wanted to warn people. I'm gonna have, my girlfriend's really good at passwords and stuff. I'm gonna try to see if she can get me into my crypto account and change my password because I lost it. I didn't write that shit down. I made this account years ago. I didn't upload any videos to it. I should have been. I should be charging people for this shit, but I don't. I do it for free for you. Um, but yeah, so just be careful if you trade the markets. That's all I'm saying. But peace, love. Um, that's it. So just be really careful with what you're buying, what you're doing, especially if you're trading the markets, especially in this time. So God bless everyone, whatever God you believe in. Peace.